Changing your payout method on Informatica is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Informatica platform by entering your username and password. Ensure you are using the correct credentials to avoid login issues. Step 2. Navigate to payment settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section. Look for an option labeled payment settings or payout method to proceed with the changes. Step 3. Select payout method. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter new payment details. After selecting your preferred payout method, input the required details. This may include bank account numbers, PayPal email, or other necessary information. Double check for accuracy to avoid payment delays. Step 5. Save changes. Once you have entered all the new payment information, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your payout method has been successfully updated. Make sure to review your payment settings periodically to ensure everything remains accurate. Following these steps will help you manage your payout preferences effectively.